going right. Because I got the fence coming up this way too.
Tony is fixing the second attempt to fix this fence. Sunday when he was trying to fix it, his back went out. And his back is feeling much better now, so he's trying to fix that before he put the gate in. Did you say you were going to take the gate back down?
I might just so I can put this wire around the post because I got this wire coming up this way I got to do also.
So he said he might take the gate back down just
But I'm wanting to get it done. It looks like it could rain.
just so it'll be easier to get the fence fixed right. And it does look like it's going to rain today. I didn't think it was supposed to rain, did you?
So you're supposed to. It's just a thunderstorm chance, I think.
Yeah. At work today, someone told me there was flash flooding, supposed to be flash flooding in Grayson, which is not far from us. So hopefully, I wouldn't mind getting some rain, but we don't need no flooding. Hopefully Tony can get all of his stuff done before it rains, and then we may not even get any rain. Never can tell. We've got to go up after he fixes that and check and see if we've got a baby. Check on the cows.
This old fence here is about had it. They don't reach in there bad though. Just woods.
I hope you don't hurt his back doing that. Don't hurt your back again. Boy, the grass is looking so good. Can't see the hayfield from here, but I noticed on my way up here the hayfield is looking really, really good. Yeah, today is much cooler. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's not cold. It's just not warm like it was yesterday. I think that's too just because the sun isn't shining.
I heard the cattle moo a time or two.
Yeah, we've been hearing the cows moo. But it is a really, really nice day. Yesterday it about got too hot in this car, didn't it? We're about to burn up in here. Do you need help? Yeah, he's just trimming some limbs so we can get through the gate on the side-by-side. Oh, did you get hit? He's not very careful. He'll get hurt. Did you about get hit?
About did. That one was broke off and wedged in there, and when I cut it, it fell.
You're not very careful.
It was a dead limb. Our side-by-side couldn't get through there.
Yeah, now we can fit through the gate on our side-by-side. Oh, yeah.
He's just a dead one. One of them wasn't dead.
With this gate up, it'll be easier to get the calves in this field because they always want to run down here to this corner. So Tony can just open that gate and then they'll go in. Make it easier on him. He's greasing up that fence. Not sure what he's down there doing. This field don't even look like they really been in it, does it? Of course,
So
it's,
it's growing quick.
yeah, this is growing quick. They was only in here one day. So with this new rotation Tony's trying, hopefully that'll work out really good and we can have more grass for him this year. Izzy's down here with her little baby. Yeah, she's,
I know.
you know, she was a good mama last year.
She didn't have a good udder like that last year.
Oh,
He's such a little cow. She's got
she,
great big udder.
wow, gosh, be easy. Tony, you're scaring the cows. She's,
What you doing in this field?
I don't know.
You know there ain't no grass in here like there's that other one.
Wonder if they've eaten it all down.
No.
I can't
You
imagine.
know what?
Look at her and her little baby. Look, she takes good care of that baby, don't she?
They must have went to water and
Oh.
come in here, I guess.
Yeah, they don't seem like they're very hungry. But a lot of them's laying down. It is licking her little baby.
I'll give you treats, Izzy, but
She's
that's crazy Sadie. We'll get you one before she comes.
crazy Sadie. Sassy Sadie.
Sadie ain't even crazy. That's how you know they're full, when Sadie ain't even crazy.
Yeah.
Now who's the midwives here? There's always a cow that stays with a bunch of babies.
Who is
It's Rose and 8, it looks like.
Oh.
Come here, Rose.
Rose, are
You
you
babysitting today?
like a protective one? Who's that?
Look like Mella, but I don't know what she's at. Let's go see if everything looks good in the back. And where's 18?
Yes, we got to check 18. Make sure she hasn't had her baby. Oh, I see it now.
Turkey back here. It's turkey season. I could go.
No, we don't kill turkeys.
Well, we could eat a turkey.
No. We still haven't found 18 yet.
See her? Oh,
She
she's
had-
bagged up big time too. If that's her up there. No, it ain't her.
That one ain't had enough. Oh my gosh, look at baby
Look,
Flanner.
Bella.
Oh, there's sweet Bella. There's baby Slam with her mom. Ain't that sweet?
Yeah. Oh, come on. There's 18 laying down.
Oh, look at little baby Melania up here.
Oh, it's loving on her.
Yeah. Let
Come
me
here,
see.
Charlotte.
The baby up here loving on its mom. Charlotte. Charlotte, you kind of smell bad today.
So what's your opinion? You think we're to move them or not?
Oh, that is up
It
to
should
you.
be easier to move them where no babies are back there, but
It might, yeah. Might be better, mightn't it? And then 18. Oh, goodness. What? These two want to fuss. Oh, did you hit her?
she just kept running into me.
Well, she's scared of, who's that? Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Charlotte, you're scaring Pig. That one right there wants a treat. We was going to leave the cows in here one more day, but since they're all in this one field, Tony decided to go ahead and move them because 18 hasn't had her baby, and he would prefer her to have any of them to be born up front than back here. So we'll go ahead and move them. Well, you do have to fix the fence before we move them, don't you?
I'm going to go stick the gate back
Oh,
on.
stick the gate. Watch out, Sadie. Going over a bank
You're
here.
going to turn around, Sadie.
bench. What's he doing?
Stretching.
Oh, stretching.
Oh, piglet. All right. Let's go
What
down.
about that one? That one was one.
We may have an issue.
Ooh.
We gotta get through the gate
Oh, yeah.
and me go fix that stuff before we.
Well, they ain't right.
Oh,
They ain't wanting to move, are they? They're all just laying around.
Hey, Izzy.
Izzy, I love your baby.
Okay, let's go fix a few things and then we'll come back and call for him.
Tony didn't get the fence fixed. He's kind of running out of time. He's got a few more things he's got to do. So he's just going to put that panel up until he'll fix it when he gets a chance. Feels like it's cooling down, doesn't it? So it feels like it's cooling down.
Maybe.
It wouldn't hurt my feelings if we got some rain after you get your work done. Yeah, I'm terrified of having a drought this summer. We've had one for what, the past 2 or 3 years?
Yeah, last year wasn't quite as bad, but it started out pretty rough.
Yeah. Yeah, last year definitely wasn't as bad as the year before.
Hay last year.
Yeah, we still did have to feed hay last year. The slot that they were in all winter, it's starting to look a lot better. It helps just getting them out of there. But we'll have to go back here after Tony gets his gate up and we're going to move them. The field they're going in next looks like it's got really good grass, doesn't it?
Yeah, hold on, need to. Come on, girls! Come on, girl!
After it, oh, look, they're getting up.
Come on, girl!
So funny. They know what that
Come on,
means.
girl!
Oh, they've already started mooing.
Come on, girl! Come on, girl!
How do they know what that
Come on,
means?
girl! Because I've hollered that for years. Come on, girl! Come on, girl!
Cows are moving very slow. They're just
Yeah, they're not hungry.
they're not hungry, which is what we like. There's been times that they would,
Can't get through a gate.
yeah, we couldn't get through a gate because of
Come
them.
on, girl! Come on, girl!
These little slow pokes.
Charlotte.
Who is this?
Looks like Charlotte.
They're waddling.
Come on, girl!
Is that Charlotte? Is she the first one through?
No, it's Charlotte.
It's always Charlotte.
Come on, girl!
Oh, there comes the baby through. Oh, look, we got a baby.
Boy, proud because I'm jumping on the four-wheeler here in a minute.
Oh, I don't want to drive. I want to watch the cows.
Go in that field that we're going into and park up there, and I'll bring it, okay?
So it is sprinkling the rain. Oh, gosh, what am I? There we go. Trying to get the cows to come on, but I think they're stuck in the other field. Not wanting to follow Tony because they're just not too hungry. Yeah, if we get some more good rain and then all this sunshine, which it was sunny this morning, but this evening's been a little cloudy. I'm just so glad to be getting rain and for it to be warming up. I hear the cows, but I don't see them. Oh, there they are. Some of them. The babies are running. They're running everywhere. Silly babies. Oh, the boys over there. He's got the boys going crazy too.
Hey, team's
Listen to those babies. No, babies has not been in this field. This is yeah, the boys over there, they're wanting in here with the girls, but that can't happen yet. Oh, is that the bull making that growling? Who was it? Rafiki's growling. Or bull's growling. Tony's gonna get wet. Yeah, they're not. Not hungry at all, which is great. Sure, I still hear some back in the other field. Yeah, I do too. See Melania. Her baby's coming. They're probably going to come in here and just lay down because they're not hungry. Man, they're moving slow. I don't know if I've ever seen them move this slow, Tony. You don't think you have? No. Tony says he hasn't either. Oh, it don't matter if they actually come in this field because we have to leave the field that some of them's in. We have to leave that open because that's how they get to their water anyways. So, goodness gracious. Oh, I want to pet some of these babies. They're so little. Who's that, Tony? 22. Oh. 22. This is wanting a treat. Yeah, these babies haven't been in this field. So it don't matter if they come in here. That we just need to get them out of that other field.
Go back there and make sure they're out of that field that we just took them out of.
Yeah.
And switch a gate. Which there's been a bunch of babies come. I bet we're good. Izzy and her baby, they were last struts. But I'm gonna run back there and check that real quick.
Okay.
Go ahead and shut the water too. Switch it.
I like to watch them babies run and play. That little brown one, that one looks so funny. Almost looks gold or bronze looking. I just think Melania's baby is so cute. That little face. I think all of the babies are in here. Oh my gosh. Here comes a crazy one. Come here, baby. Melania's baby will just about come to me. Just about. Come here, baby. No. close by would get out and see if I could pet the baby, but she won't let me. Oh gosh, here comes Charlotte. I've only gave you about half a bucket of treats. Trying to find Bella to give her her honey bun.
Bella.
There she is.
Are you hungry enough to eat your honey bun?
Look at all that green, her green tongue. Fresh green grass.
Bella. You burped on me. I heard you. There's your baby.
It just sprinkled a little here, didn't it?
That baby's gonna crawl inside the hay feeder.
Will it get stuck in there?
No. I wonder how little. Bella, you're moving like a sloth.
They all are moving except for Charlotte and Pig. This baby right here, oh, it's in there, isn't it? Or half of it's in there.
Oh, now look at it.
Oh gosh, hold on.
Look at
Is it
little
I think it's stuck.
It ain't
No,
stuck.
it got out. Okay.
There's plenty of room for them.
Oh, hold on. There's a baby over here. Just took off.
Little Connie right here.
Got your water switched.
I switched the water. I've closed every gate from the back all the way here.
So do we need to count, make sure all the babies is in here. It'd be a mess if
let's
they
count the
wasn't.
ones in. Let's see, up here first. 2 treats apiece.
And Rafiki was growling, wasn't he? Oh, I hear Nazareth. They want in here so bad. Uh-oh, who got shocked? Rafiki did.
He does every time.
You would think he would learn.
Woolly. Alright, now I'm going to park the four-wheeler.
Wooly dropped his and Rafiki eat it.
I'm going to park the four-wheeler and get the tractor, bring it to the house. And then we'll go through the gate together.
Okay. All right. What have you got? A clump of grass? No, Rafiki, don't hit him. I think Rafiki has a really pretty face. Well, Wooly does too. Charlotte and the bull are... What y'all doing? I think Charlotte's just worried about treats. That's all she's worried about. My flowers are looking really pretty. I hadn't been out here and spent much time because it had been kind of cool and I've been working, but these look so pretty. Next month in May, I'm gonna get me some annuals and plant in here. He's a silly cat. He thinks he's always got to help me in the garden when I'm working. I did put me a one of the hummingbird feeders out because I think the hummingbirds are here now. Tony's dad seen a hummingbird the other day. I haven't seen any, but I'm not home a whole lot to where I can actually look for them. So, oh gosh, I hadn't noticed this either. My bleeding heart is blooming. I think it's so big and so pretty. And my lilies back there are blooming. So it won't be long till all this is really pretty after I put my mulch in here. And of course the cat will help me, won't you, Gargamel? My flowers on this side of the house are blooming too. And my azalea bush right there. Won't be much longer. That thing will be beautiful. Got really pretty red blooms on it. Definitely have a lot of work to do in my garden. I'm gonna take a week off in May and work in here. Get all this looking really good. Oh, sure what Tony's doing over here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Take this off and put the bucket on.
So he's gonna put the bucket on the tractor. We gotta get some dirt.
Get her raised bed.
Okay. So he's gonna do this, and I guess I'm gonna get in the house and cook some supper and go back tomorrow and check on all the cows and move them because they'll be moved again tomorrow.